We can convert our accessibility audit report into a live dynamic online document. On the screen with me is an accessibility audit report in Excel spreadsheet format. So we can see there are several issues and we've got all of the familiar columns. We've got a page URL where the issue is located. We've got the environment that produced the issue, the associated WCAG success criterion, the issue description, the applicable code, and so on. And so now we can have all of this valuable audit report data available to us online. So I'm going to tab now to Accessibility Tracker. And what we have is this accessibility audit report transposed inside of the Accessibility Tracker dashboard. So it's now, the data is now online, it's live, and we can do things like assign issues to different team members. So here I'm looking at a column assigned to, and we can assign to any of the team members that we've invited. We can also change the status of any accessibility issues. So we're on this first issue. The current status is in progress. If I want to, let's say our team made the fix, I can change this to completed. We can also assign a custom priority, or we can sort by one of two prioritization formulas. There's a user impact formula and there's the risk factor formula. So this is the broad view of this accessibility audit report. But what I can do now is I can view a single issue. So let's view this individual issue. And what will happen is we will get all of the data. So none of the data is lost. We've just got different views. We've got the broad overview where we have the accessibility table inside of the dashboard. And now we can look at the single issue view. And so here we can see all of this same information is available. We've got the page URL, we've got the environment that produced the issue description, the recommendation, and so on. So all of this is available to us. We even have the ability to edit the issue. We can even add notes inside of here. So we can even change what the data is if we wanted to. But I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, and then I will show you the Analyze with AI. So now that all of our data is online in this centralized hub, AI also has access to the extracted data so that it can help us with the fixes. So we've got these different AI tools. I'm going to select one. It is detailed technical answer. I'm going to generate analysis, and what will happen is we will get the detailed technical answer from AI now streaming to us inside of the dashboard. What's so helpful is that AI has access to the audit report data. So now AI can help us complete our project faster, make fixes faster, have less rounds of validation, and really just speed the project up. So here we can see that we've got the accessibility issue analysis, the specific problems, the detailed technical recommendations. We've got a step 1, remove outline suppression. Step 2, add custom focus styles. And then an explanation of how the solution meets WCAG requirements, and so on. So this is here for every single issue in your audit report. So this is how your audit report comes alive when you upload it into Accessibility Tracker. And it's very easy to upload your audit report in Excel spreadsheet format. And you can use an audit report from any provider. It doesn't have to be from accessible.org. If it's from another provider, you likely just need to map the header, the columns in your audit report to Accessibility Tracker, but it's a very easy process. But this is how you take your document from a fairly static Excel spreadsheet and make it into a live online document. So I will include a link to Accessibility Tracker in the description.